if you like road trips across the country, or if you know someone who's going to be retiring soon and going to get an RV and going to drive, this is the book for them. It's 100 Drives, 5,000 Ideas. It's from National Geographic, and what it is, it's a giant picture-filled book filled with travel ideas depending upon where you want to go. So here's Midwest road trips, and I'm going to kind of go through. And then this is I think Eastern road trips. So this has Revolutionary Road along the Delaware, Susquehanna Trail. And what it does, it shows you each and every trip will have just dozens of places listed, of landmarks, of places to go, things to look into, things you might want to see. And it also is filled with tons of great photographs, all color photographs. Really, really neat. This is the Star Spangled Banner Trail. Now, some of these trails, some of these ideas, Washington, D.C., Delaware, and the Star Spangled Banner Trail, they sometimes cross the same areas, but it will go ahead and point out different things according to a theme. And again, there's 100 different drives. Here's all the areas: West Coast, Rocky Mountain, Pan Regional, Northeast, West East, Midwest, Southern. You get the idea. It's just a ton of neat road trips and neat photographs. This is wonderful if you're looking for places to go, you're going to be traveling, maybe even looking for vacation ideas. It does make a good coffee table book as well, because it's big, it's bold, it's beautiful, lots of cool colors, lots of good conversation pieces. You can walk through this and say, oh my gosh, look at that, I've been there, let me tell you all about it, that sort of thing. I have been to a couple of these places. It really is a very neat book. It is paperback, so it's nice and tough. You can bend it, you can kind of walk with it. It's a little bit hefty, but it's easy to stuff into a backpack and just go. Really a neat book. If you want super details about all the different things in these places, you may want to go ahead and look on the website and find other things, but it'll mention like Smithsonian Institute, and of course there's tons of stuff about that, but it'll mention a couple of the museums, it'll mention which ones follow along the path that you're taking, and then you may want to go ahead and do more research. This is more of an idea generating book and less of a very, very detailed, here's where to stay, here's where to go sort of a book. It's still really, really neat, a lot of fun, great for someone who's retiring or has an RV. It is highly recommended.